Okay, boys and girls, so this is the assignment that I had you guys work on this morning. I wanted you guys to kind of do it the same way that we do it in the classroom. So you solve it and then you share the different ways that you solved it. We're going to look at a couple of people's different ways that they solved it, and then I'm going to explain how you solve it if you were a little bit confused. All right, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to look at the pens. I am going to use this one just because I need to make some curves. So I needed to be able to move in a curved manner. I'm going to click on red just so I can get a bright color that you guys can see. It says show two different ways to divide a 2x6 region into 6 equal parts. Color the 6 parts of each region a different color. How do you know the parts are equal? So, esto dice que tienes que pintar tienes que dividir una región que es 2 por 6 en 6 partes que son iguales. Y tienes que pintar los 6 partes un color diferente. Y tienes entonces que explicar cómo sabes que las partes son iguales. So, we're going to look at the parts here. It says, be precise, think about the area of each part as you divide the regions. So this is a 2x6 region. It says 2x6. We're going to do cubes because that's a pattern that, that's a strategy that I taught you guys to use to help you. And I also want you to do the 3-read that Miss Fisher taught you and that we've also implemented in the classroom. So it says show 2 different ways to divide a 2x6 region into 6 equal parts. Color the 6 parts of each region a different color. How do you know the parts are equal? Remember, when you're doing cubes, you circle the key numbers, underline the question, box any math action words, and write the operation sign. Eliminate unnecessary information, and solve and check. So we are going to circle the key numbers. So it says show 2 different ways to divide a 2x6 region into 6 equal parts. We're going to underline the question. How do you know the parts are equal? We're going to box any math action word. So it says color the 6 parts of each region a different color. Equal parts or equal. Divide is a math action word. All right. It says eliminate any unnecessary information. All the information that we have here is necessary. And then it says solve and check. So now we're going to start solving. So it's 2x6 because there's 2 squares here. There are 2 squares on this side. There are 2 rows. And there's 6 columns. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns. If I divide this into 6 equal parts, I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I would have 6 equal parts because this would be 1, This would be 2. This would be 3. This would be 4. This would be 5. And this would be 6. What's another way that we could divide this into 6 equal parts?